ಮಮತೆಯ ಹೂ, ಮನದಾಳದಿಂದ ನೀಡುವ ಉಡುಗೊರೆ. ನಗುಮುಖದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ ನಮ್ಮಿ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳು.
Good morning, everyone. It's truly an honor and a moment of pride to introduce our special guest today. A man of many talents, a voice that connects hearts, and a personality that truly inspires. Mr. Roshan Krasta.
Sir has been the creative force at Radio Sarang 107.8 FM, St. Aloysius, deemed to be university since 2009, spreading knowledge, joy and culture through airwaves. With over 20 years of experience as a professional Konkani program producer, he has hosted more than 3,000 events, social, corporate and cultural, leaving audiences captivated everywhere he goes.
Sir has interviewed over 2,000 artists, giving voices the platform and stories a stage. He has also contributed immensely to the liturgy of the Mangalore Diocese, walking alongside the late Reverend Father Walter Albuquerque S.J. and has penned out over 400 Konkani and Kannada poems that continue to inspire many. Apart from being a professional Toastmaster, he is also a talented voiceover artist, a familiar television and YouTube anchor, and currently serves as the secretary of the Mangalore Diocese Media Ayog, a man whose voice speaks volumes and whose passion for media and art shines bright. Let us welcome the ever-inspiring Mr. Roshan Krasta with a thunderous round of applause. Now I request my friend Varsha to welcome Sir with a flower sapling.
With love and respect, I welcome our beloved principal, Sister Belissa, who guides us with wisdom and care.
I extend a special welcome to our administrator, Sister Karisima, whose support and encouragement inspire us always. A heartfelt welcome to our superior, Sister Asha Prema, head teacher, Sister Reshma, and coordinators, Teacher Reshma and Teacher Sumana, who motivate us with their constant guidance.
With gratitude, I welcome all our dear teachers who are the light of knowledge and discipline in our lives.
I lovingly welcome our beloved parents.